Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to screen record in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can access. You have your audio recorder right here and so on. So guys, let's say we want to get started with screen recording our GarageBand application. There is only one way to do it. So as you can see, once you enter in your screen recorder right here and your audio recording options, you will see you have no options for screen recording. So guys, if you want to get started with screen recording anything in your GarageBand, from your tracks to your settings and so on, you will have to use the screen recorder in your iPhone itself. So you'll need to use the screen recorder that's implemented into your iPhone. You have to start recording your screen, and after that you want to open up the GarageBand application right here and get started recording anything you want to use. So it's easy as that guys. There is no other way around it because GarageBand does not directly allow any way and doesn't have an option for screen recording within itself. But yeah guys, basically that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.